Big news, Vivo is dropping some exciting stuff. They've officially announced the upcoming release of the Vivo Watch 3 smartwatch, and they're not stopping there. On November 13th at 19 o'clock, alongside their flagship X100 series of phones, it's going to be a tech extravaganza. So let's dive into the deets. The latest marketing materials spilled the beans on the Vivo Watch 3's design and features. From what we've seen, it's all about that sleek and round look. It's like a smooth pebble with a curved display that's just so eye-catching. Plus, they're offering two styles, one with black silicone and the other with gold leather straps. But that's not all. The premium features are where it's at. The stainless steel digital crown is color coordinated with the watch dial, available in gold and black. And guess what? The gold model might even let you switch things up with a third-party alternative which has exposed lugends. And yes, there's an action button on the right side. Oh, and did I mention the smartwatch has got a microphone hole? That's probably for those Bluetooth calls via your paired smartphone, or maybe even the rumored 4G modem. Now, the real game changer here is the software BlueOS. It's based on the Rust programming language, which is a first in the tech world. It's all about security, privacy, and AI capabilities. And guess what? It's debuting on smartwatches, starting with the Vivo Watch 3. Rust is the secret sauce that makes BlueOS rock solid, less prone to security hiccups. In today's digital age, that's a big deal. And for all you health nuts, the Watch 3 has you covered with heart rate and blood oxygen tracking. We'll dig deeper into this as soon as we get more info, and trust me, it won't be long, because that release date is right around the corner. So that's a wrap for this video, my friends. Thanks for hanging out with me and catching up on the Vivo Watch 3 and its exciting features. If you liked what you saw, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching.